Studios. Today we're making chocolate oat biscuits. The ingredients for this recipe are as follows: 3 cups of oats, 1 cup of desiccated coconut, half a cup of butter, half a cup of cocoa, 2 cups of sugar, 1.5 cups of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. First, add the 3 cups of oats and 1 cup of coconut into a bowl. Then put half the cup of butter into the pot. Breaking it up into a few pieces beforehand will allow it to melt faster. After that, you want to sift half a cup of cocoa powder into the pot. Then add 2 cups of granulated sugar. Follow that up with 1.5 cups of milk. Then, put the pot onto high heat and slowly mix everything in. It may take a while for the butter to melt in. It's very important that you constantly stir it to avoid burning. Once it begins to bubble, you need to set a timer for 5 minutes and keep stirring all the way through. The mixture should thicken ever so slightly. After the 5 minutes are up, or the mixture looks around this consistency, it's ready to be taken off the heat. Then, add a teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix it in. Pour the bowl of coconut and oats into the pot and mix it in until everything is covered. Then dish out onto plates or place them onto foil in a container or a flat surface. If you want the biscuits to be more solid, you can add half a cup of milk instead of 1.5, but they will dry out a lot quicker and lose some flavor. After that, it's ready to eat and enjoy.